Right, welcome back to the channel. We're on this job today. It's huge. It's a little small extension. It's about 3 metres by 2 metres by about 3 or 4 metres. So we've got a couple of sockets going in here. We've got a centre light going up here, which is going to be fed from that room in there. So socket here, and we've got 2 outside lights with a light switch going just on this wall here. So that's it. Let's get to it. So the first job we're going to do is we're going to find our level. So we're going to find our level from out there to in here, put the boxes on, socket box, light switch, put our nail on capping up the wall, and then we're going to start running the cables in. We've got a socket, so we've got a builder special. They just rip the cables out of the wall. Cables are fairly long, so what we're going to do, we're going to get a bit of floor up above here. So we're going to pull that carpet back, lift our floorboard up, cut it there, right across there. We're going to pull one of these cables up and join onto it, and then we're going to take the other one, fix it onto the cable here, and we're going to extend our ring out because we've got 2 sockets and the potential of an outside socket. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag our feed in from here, so the joists run this way, so we're going to rod that out across there and take our feed straight down to our light switch for the outside lights, and we're also going to drag a cable down here to do. So now we've got the floor up, we're going to slide our red rod through, tie our cables on, and then our cable is going to go right through those joists to the outside wall. Our light in the centre of the extension, so we will keep that in line with that one. Right, so our feed's going to go there to our switch. It's going to go from that light there to that light there, and that's the outside lights. So the next job is to get a hole through here, which is our access for our feed for our light switch out there for outside lights, and also the link for this light here to link to the centre of that light there, and the cables for our sockets. So we're going to test this out, see if this is a ring. If it is a ring, we're going to put it back onto a ring. Right, so we've got our cables through the hole, so these 2 are going to go up, this one and this one are going to go up, and they're going to be joined in the floor void above here, and this one are going to carry down and go down to that socket just down there, and then the 2 grey ones are literally going to go over to that light behind me. So we've got now we've got the box mounted, so we're going to run the cable. The cable's going to come in up here, clip to this beam up here, come across, and then clip down to that one there, and then the other one's going to come in from our joint above there, come across here, follow the same route all the way across and down to here. So our 2 small cables, our 1.5s, one's going to go to this light switch here, which is going to be the feed for outside lights, which are literally going, there's one going on this elevation, one going on that elevation, and then our other 1.5, which is the longer one, which is going to come along here, follow our joist. So it's going to follow our joist along here, our light's going to go here, and that's going to be it for the lighting. Right, so got the socket done down there, light switch, socket over there, in the bit above upstairs, there's one light. Cool, there's our other light, and it is sunny, which is beautiful. So we'll be back here when we second fix. We've got the board to change as well. I might put a picture of the board up now so you can see what we've got to do. And it looks like I have to put a main earth and some bonding in as well. So if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. See you again.